Imagine climbing toward financial freedom and realizing you could have started years earlier. What if I told you that just one small decision each day could set you on that path? You don't need a college degree, a trust fund, or special skills to make it happen. The truth is, most people overlook one simple habit that compounds into real wealth faster than you'd expect. I'm Aaron, and I help everyday people understand money in a way that actually works. Today, I'm sharing the exact three-step plan I wish I knew at 22, so you can finally reach financial freedom and stop feeling stuck with your money. Let's be real. Most people in their 20s feel like building wealth is impossible. You might have a decent job, track your spending, even try to save a little, but somehow, by the end of the month, it feels like nothing grows. According to a recent study by Harvard, 42% of Americans under 30 say they're barely getting by financially. Every day, small habits add up, or subtract. Buying coffee every morning, paying for subscriptions you barely use, or waiting for the perfect time to start investing. These decisions silently shape your future. The scary part is that time works against you. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. But there's good news. A simple, overlooked approach can flip the script, and it starts with habits anyone can implement. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't about luck, connections, or starting with a high salary. It's about small, consistent actions that grow exponentially over time. Most people focus on flashy strategies, day trading, expensive side hustles, or get-rich-fast schemes. But the reality is that wealth comes from smart, repeated behaviors. The secret I want to share today is deceptively simple. It begins with tiny habits you already control, like how you spend, save, and allocate your money each month. Compound those habits over years and the effect is massive. Most people completely overlook this because it seems too small to matter, but that's exactly why it works. The key mindset shift is understanding that small actions equal big results over time. Think of your financial journey like climbing a mountain. Every small step, every decision to save a little, invest consistently, or educate yourself about money brings you closer to the peak. The challenge is most people focus on instant gratification. We see someone else with a big house or fancy car and think wealth is all about big moves. In reality, the difference between wealthy people and everyone else isn't luck. It's discipline and consistency. Start seeing every small financial choice as a building block. Buy one less coffee per week? That's $5 saved. Automate investing that $5 weekly? That's $260 a year growing exponentially. Change your perspective. Small, consistent steps aren't tiny. They're powerful. Here's the three-step plan I wish I knew at 22. Step 1. Start small and automate everything. Open an investment or retirement account and automate contributions. Even $25 a week counts. Automating removes decision fatigue and ensures you never skip a month. The magic is that compounding begins immediately. Step 2. Track and reduce invisible spending. Most people spend money without realizing it. Subscriptions, impulse buys, extra coffees. Track your spending for just 2 weeks and highlight the small leaks that quietly add up. Then redirect that money to your automated investment or retirement account. Step 3. Invest in knowledge and growth. Wealth isn't just money, it's financial intelligence. Spend a little time learning about investing, tax strategies, or high-interest investments. Knowledge compounds like money. One good habit learned now can save or earn thousands later. Start with these 3 simple steps and repeat them consistently. You don't need perfection. The goal is momentum. Small actions repeated daily will eventually create unstoppable financial growth. Let's make it concrete. Imagine you start investing $50 a week at age 22 in an investment or retirement account with a 7% annual return, a realistic stock market average. In 5 years, you would have roughly $16,000. By age 30, that same habit would grow to around $28,500. And by age 32, after 10 years of consistent contributions, you'd have about $38,500. Even tiny adjustments make a huge difference. that $25 in weekly coffee money redirected to investments becomes roughly $14,000 by age 30. The math isn't magic, it's consistency plus time. Most people ignore this because it seems slow at first, but it's slow at the beginning because it's compounding. Once you give it time, growth accelerates like a snowball rolling downhill. The key is to start now, automate, and don't wait for perfect timing. Every day you delay is lost potential growth. Wealth is a habit, not a one-time event. Think of it as building a muscle. The more you train, the stronger it gets. Automate your investments, track your expenses, and review progress monthly. Momentum compounds just like money. Society pushes instant gratification, but financial freedom comes from saying no to small indulgences today, so you can say yes to big opportunities tomorrow. Surround yourself with people who reinforce this mindset and reward yourself for progress, not perfection. Habits like weekly budgeting, automatic investing, and continuous learning create financial resilience. These small habits build confidence, reduce stress, and multiply over time. Remember, you're climbing toward financial freedom, and every step counts, even if it feels slow at first. Here's the bottom line. The best time to start building wealth was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Every small habit you implement today compounds into opportunities, security, and freedom tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect job, perfect salary, or perfect timing. Start small, automate, and grow your financial intelligence. The three-step plan I shared, small actions, cutting invisible spending, and investing in growth, works because it aligns with reality, not fantasy. Imagine looking back in 5 years seeing that your tiny steps built real financial freedom. That future is possible, but only if you start climbing today. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, share this video with someone who needs it, and take action on one small step today. Your future self will thank you.